Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to use your phone webcam as a camera. So first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go into Windows Phone Link, and then once you go to Windows Phone Link, you have to go into the settings. Now I'm sure you already have the phone added to your mobile devices already. I'm sure you already have the phone enabled and linked to your phone link. I'm sure I don't have to tell you those steps. But if you aren't, definitely do that, then come back to this. So once you're in the settings, you're going to want to go to features. And then once you go to features, you're going to want to go down to cross device and copy and paste, okay, under your related settings. And then once you go there, it's going to take you to more of your global settings here. Okay. Another way to get here is also for mobile and devices and mobile devices. So yeah, make sure you have it added here. Okay. And then once you go to you have your mobile device added, you're going to click on your mobile device, and then you're going to go to the second tab and use as connected camera. Okay, so make sure that is on. So once you have that connected and it's on, well, now we can test the camera. So there's multiple ways you can use your camera, right? So, you can use OBS, or you can use the camera app, or you can use Teams or whatever. You're just going to want to switch to the default playback of camera share, okay? So go to your phone, put your camera on, and then you're going to want to go to the actual camera app here, okay? And it already popped up for me. So now the camera is on, and there we go. So we are in the metaverse here. All right. And yeah, this is pretty cool here. Looks like it has some settings here too, which is pretty cool. So it has switched to the front, which we're not doing. And then we have effects. So you can change the effects, stabilization, blur, auto framing, soft focus, which is pretty dope. You can even pause the video. Oh wait, it didn't pause. See, you see that? That's funny. But yeah, so this is pretty cool, and it shows you your battery percentage there as well, which is pretty neat. But yeah, and if it's not showing on your camera app, press this button right here and change camera. If you have like 6, 7 cameras on that one computer, that would makes it switch, and then you just go on other programs and then switch the camera to camera share, or phone link or Windows to phone link, whichever one it says. All right, well, let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.